You are invited. I'm holding a workshop next Saturday on September 23rd, and it's called The Workshop That Will Change Your Life. Discover Your Soul Mission. Several years ago, I started talking about I was changing my entire career because I knew where our world would be, and I wanted to give people what would be helpful, and that is mindset. We are moving through a big change in our world, just an evolutionary change, and it's really stressful for a lot of people. But this is the work that I've been doing for more than 40 years now. And so I wanted to give everyone a little understanding of what was happening in the world, what might be occurring in their lives, because you're moving through something that is causing you to awaken to some part of you that maybe haven't experienced before. And I've been guiding people to that for a long time. I've called it my, ascension program or whatever it is, but I want to give people a bit of understanding because it might look a little scary of what's happening in our world. All of the things that I've talked about for the last several years, the war, the weather conditions, the difficulties that anyone might be experiencing. But I also know that when you come to understand your importance, why you're in the world, the energetic shift you can make within yourself and how that contributes to the world that we're all creating right now, it'll make a huge difference. So that's why I'm holding the workshop. It will be a lot of fun. It will be interactive. I'm going to give you a lot of great stuff. You'll be able to ask questions, but I just want more people to understand the changes that are occurring in our world and how you can make the best use of it. The thing that is going to be the most beneficial for you is to figure out who you are, that soul mission that you have, because everyone has it. Decide to become happy, prosperous, successful in whatever it is that you are given to do, because that's the energetic change that's going to make the difference in your life and also in our world. So check my link on my Linktree, my website, and register for the session. If you can't be there in person, I'm still going to send everybody the replay as well. So love to have you there. See you soon.